In order to find percent, I have to multiply fraction by 100%. I'm going to convert 100% to the fraction right away because this is fraction. Okay, remember, anytime you want to convert whole number to fraction, you have to write whole number over 1. This is going to give you improper fraction. Next, anytime you multiply fractions, you have to check if you can reduce any denominator with any numerator. In this case, I have 2 and I have 100. Both of them are divisible by 2. So that's why 2 I'm going to divide by 2 and 100 I'm going to divide by 2. That's why I'm going to have 1 over 1 times 100 divided by 2 gives me 50. 50% over 1. Now I can perform the multiplication. 1 times 50 is 50%. Over 1 times 1, which is equal 1. 50% divided by 1 gives me 50%. This is the solution to my problem. Let's check next problem. Again, in order to convert this fraction to the percents, I have to multiply this by 100%. I'm going to write 100% over 1. Convert to the improper fraction. Check if you can reduce any numerator with any denominator. In this case, I have 5 and I have 100. Both of them are divisible by 5. Okay, so I'm going to have 4 over 1, because 5 divided by 5 is 1, times 100% divided by 5 is equal 20%, of course, over 1. Now I can perform the multiplication. I have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 4 times 20 is 80% over 1. 80% over 1 is equal 80%. This is the solution. Let's check another example. I have 7 over 8. Again, anytime you want to convert fraction to the percent, you have to multiply that fraction by 100% over 1. Now, please notice that 8 and 100, both of them are divisible by 4. So I'm going to have 7 over 2 times 25% over 1. I cannot reduce anything else at this moment, so simply I'm going to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 7 times 25 is equal 175% over 2. Now, this is the example of improper fraction. I have to convert improper fraction to the mixed number. So I'm going to perform long division. I'm going to have 175 divided by 2. How many times 2 goes into 17? 8 times. 8 times 2 gives me 16. Subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Bring down 5. How many times 2 goes into 15? Goes 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. Subtract is 1. Answer is 87 and 1/2. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 87 and 1/2.